What's up, guys? I'm D.
And I'm Kimmy.
Back again with another reaction. This time we got another Try Not to Laugh. This is Celebrity Yearbook Photo Roast by Mentally Mitch.
You remember those yearbook photos?
This video is off to a shaky start already, so
Yeah.
we're going to see where the missus lands on this one.
We're going to see. We're going to
But
see.
Try not to laugh as always. Let's go ahead and get on into it. There you go.
There's a page on Facebook called Vintage Updates that shared an album of celebrity yearbook photos. Many people decided to weigh in. Let's review. First up, we have Daniel Hernandez, aka Takashi59, who looks like he just informed the teacher that they forgot to collect last night's homework. Dude, dressed like a judge. Y'all should have known. He looked like he would raise his hand to tell you, then ask to go to the bathroom. Hey, definitely was this kid Randall from Recess. Hey, just like he was the Hogwarts. Hey, he was definitely the captain of his Quidditch team. Up next, we have Nate Robinson. I haven't seen or heard from him since he got knocked out by Jake Paul. The baby before he got the teeth. Yo, why do people think them veneers, them unnatural looking teeth look good? Look cartoonish, right?
Them veneers be looking crazy.
Yeah, they do.
This dude was already grown. Real talk, how you go from being a grown man in high school to the baby as an adult?
He do look like a senior.
He does.
Bro looked like he survived the Titanic. So he didn't always have a peachy cruiser. Y'all gotta chill. Here, I believe this is WNBA star Brittany Griner.
That does not look like
He look like he
Brittany
need
Griner.
crayons. Y'all a child. He used to
Free
bite
Brittany
people for
Griner,
sure.
by
He definitely got that look on him. Thought that was Coy Lorraine for a second.
No, y'all.
Definitely sharpen his pencils with his seat. Alright, I got you. Next, we have the current best player on the planet, even though he got swept in the first round of the playoffs, Kevin Durant.
Kevin Durant.
That boy got a spine in his throat. Maybe that's what it looked like when you got a long neck like that. I don't know. Boy looked like he used to hang out with Dr. Martin Luther King. But hey, back in my day, not all yearbooks came in color. Think you had to pay a little extra for that. LeBron forever looking like himself. Past, present, and future. This the one right here.
He has had old face energy for a long time.
He has the book bag with the wheels on the bottom. Somebody say he look like a straight goof. Y'all chill, man. Up next, we have the light-skinned member of New Edition.
Wardell.
And if it is love, why do I feel this way? Why does she stay on my mind?
Daddy was in the NBA, couldn't get him a lineup. That's bullshit.
He looked like he was on the light cereal box. He do, yeah. He definitely started crying when the class made the teacher cancel recess. Bro looked like his best friend was Stuart Little. Hey, that's a good one, yeah. He probably 15 in this page. That's why they call him the babyface assassin. That's the light-skinned privilege smile in its early stages right there. Exactly, with not a care in the world.
And comes from light stock.
Here we have Onika Mirage in stunning quality considering this is taken with the world's first camera.
Before she started doing all them crazy.
This picture looks fake. And low-key do look drawn on like her eyebrows. Is this a Miss Impression drawing? I'm saying ain't nothing but 99, 2000. We had better cameras than this. Shit, hot fries was loud at 6 a.m. in the cafeteria. Hey, yo, that's the one. Too accurate. Look like a Western Mohican from 1876. Bro, y'all are childish, man. But my mom went there too, bro. I bet y'all ain't know Meek Mill had a twin sister. Mo to the E to the Monica. Meek Mill was the cutest little girl back in school. What did I just say? Y'all childish.
I didn't see it till he said that.
She was definitely one of them. My mama said little girls. She do got that look, man. She used to purposely try to get people nearby when she was on the swings. Bad little girl, you know it too. You could tell her mama was drinking a lot when she was pregnant, shaking my head. That's why her eyes so far apart. Hey, yo. Chill, y'all gotta chill, man. Damn. This seems like a respectable young woman. I wonder what she turned out to be. She was Mexican. She definitely gives me Latina vibes.
You look like a totally different
I promise you, Kim Mama lied to her because her daddy got to be Hispanic. You know, that's probably true because, you know, they say the grape don't fall too far from the vine or something like that. Or is it the apple? I heard it from the tree. Hold on. She look like she got around in high school. Well, if the present is any reflection of the past, she probably knew a thing or two about a thing or two. She said, hey, yo, chill. But why is this accurate? In this photo, we have Lisa Left Eye Lopez from the popular music group Destiny's Children. I really thought this was Judy from Family Matters. Either Judy or Kelly Rowland. It's a rare condition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. Love and tradition of the grand design. And some people say it's even harder to find. Y'all are so childish. But hey, yo, we done on this one. Next photo.
You do look like Judy, though.
I know you like it. Yeah. Marshall said.
That's the man that'll verbally end your career. Look at him.
I just imagine this kid became top 5 dead or alive.
But I bet you won't roast him to his face. He'll
I'm getting the grandpa from Hey Arnold vibe. He do look like the grandpa if he was younger.
I was gonna say the old dude from Family
Family
Guy.
Guy.
Stu kids afraid to leave his Stu.
Why
Stu
don't
kids
you kids like to come
afraid
get some popsicles?
You only get it if you don't Hey Arnold, y'all.
Bring your fat ass back in here.
He look like, hi kids, do you like violence? Heavy on the violence too. Look like the type of kid that would wear a trench coat and combat boots to school.
Marshall look crazy.
He looks like he was fighting demons at such a young age.
School shooter.
Cause that boy was definitely going through it, bro. He was either going to be a rapper or a serial killer. There was no in between. This could have ended tragically if he chose the other
It
path.
is the very first 48 smile.
Hey, yo, y'all gotta chill, bro.
Remind you of the Aisha.
Oh, yo, that's it.
The rare W on a
Yeah.
Mentally Mitch clip.
Wasn't expecting that at all.
I'll take it. They have some good ones in there, though, man. People are... The internet is undefeated.
Mm-hmm.
People are very inventive when it comes to roasting you on the internet. Part of the reason I never want to be famous because I ended up trying to fight the internet.
Because they have find something to say about every picture.
Man, if I ever get famous, if I know it's coming, I'm scrubbing the internet of my entire history because I don't want people to roast me. We're starting from scratch.
Oh.
I can't handle it. But a W on this one, nonetheless. Appreciate you guys tuning in.
Thank y'all.
Hope to catch you on the next one. Peace.
Bye.